Calvin's gonna roll. He stopped. He's easy. He says, "What did she stop for?" There he goes. And now he's up. Okay. Here's the new hay rack. I put those black and white troughs down in the morning and evening to feed them. I need to get 2 more of the black ones. It'll work until they get moved to the new barn. There's our fence, and I keep feed in the trash cans. The books are over there. Their hay rack. Kind of a junk room right now. It used to be the milk parlor. Anyway, would you quit being so mean? That's where the goats are right now. Keys hung, clipped up. Hard to do with a camera. Bucks are fed there, and Calvin the alpaca. Lean-tos are on the barn. Roof's on that one. Have to put the roof on the back one yet. We did enlarge the buck pasture. Comes all the way back here now. It's been that way for quite a while now. We did put up a fence to keep the does up because they started hopping the creek over the summer. So now you can see the fence. My breeding pen's back there too, about where Chardonnay is standing. Everything's overgrown. Morgan's harassing Calvin. I think the deer are the only ones that use that one. We have a puppy coming. About a little over a week. We're gonna have an English Shepherd. Looking forward to having a dog again, because it's been at least 3 years since we had a dog last. And that was Missy, which she is in some of the videos. Somebody must have stopped and picked her up. Need to get some fencing over here so I can start using this. I'll post the deer video. That was multiple videos pretty soon. I think this is how they're getting through normally. Walking through here and then hopping across the creek or walking through it. Goats don't like to get their feet wet. They don't like to get wet at all. So they don't dare get their feet wet. They jump. That's where I run across the yellow jacket's nest, just past that little Chinese privet tree before the fence was run. What is it, girls? It's so dry. It has not rained in ages. So all the grass is about dead. You can see where they cleared in this little peninsula kind of area where they were hopping across. Chunky Elise. She's so fat. Well, she's been dry for so long. The ones nursing were all thin. All my dry girls were fat. But anyway, so it looks like right now on November 2nd, 2016. Little Champagne, well, little, she ain't. She's huge. Champagne and Heat today. Yesterday we had Lucy, Evangeline, and I think Lennon. Lennon needs some weight before she gets bred. I had to pull our girls off of her, dry her off. This is the back side. There will be a wall. Well, we're kind of undecided. We're thinking about maybe this side that's open. I'm using it as the door. Originally, the door was going to be on the other side there. But now we're thinking we may move it to the back. We'll see if Calvin's going to be weird. We need to get him neutered. Yeah, there he goes. You're so funny. He likes sandcastles. Morgan won't let him do this to him. He's so weird. This is the noises they make when they want to breed. This is why he lives with the bucks, because I've had him pushed down onto does before. So that's just not gonna work, so he has to live over there. Champagne was bred to Morgan yesterday. Zen, she is about as big as her mother. She is huge. Oh, I forgot this panel's here. I could have set that up yesterday with the breeding pen. Ips. I was kind of in a hurry, so I had to watch for buses. We just like to stand behind the panel. Star is the black one there. She should be bred to Morgan and due in February. Elise, the white one, is also due in February to Sandcastles. Chardonnay is bred to Sandcastles, also due February. They're all due February 16th. But she is moving. I've kept her daughter, which is in the chocolate one. It's bred to Sandcastles, due in March. Champagne will now be due the last day of March to Morgan. Anna is not bred yet. She's putting weight on after nursing her kid. And who else? Oh, Oracle is over there next to the milk parlor. Golden White is due in March to Sandcastles. And I also have two more bred. Aphrodite and Pepper. Both black. I don't see the one of them. Aphrodite's the one with the big mouth. Probably in the barn. Pretty Champagne. You pretty girl. Pretty girl. Here's your boyfriend. Okay. So yellow. He is wild. Sandcastles is a perfect gentleman. Friendly and easy to handle. Morgan is wild. But I can still get a hold of him. He'll come right in the breeding pen. He doesn't like being caught, but he will in the breeding pen. We're going to have stalls on that side. The does will be on the back side here. And we will probably set up milk and feed there somewhere.